If you follow me in the past, you might know that one of the main things I have are a bunch of different Google Sheets that automate product searches and provide results from those product searches directly into a Google Sheet. Now, at the moment, however, it is possible that some of those systems might not completely work. That is a possibility. And so, what I just did is I threw together uh, a much smaller basic product title search script that uses Price Grabber, the website Price Grabber, and basically it automates the search on Price Grabber and it grabs some URLs from a product title. So you can access this code, which is right here on the app script of the Google Sheet, which I can explain in another video if you're interested in the coding aspect. But from a user perspective, if you're just looking to use this, all you have to do is type in a formula, and I'll show you how that works. So if you have for instance, this title, which is a product title I grabbed from Walmart. It's a product title I grabbed from Walmart. And what you do is you type in equal search title, and then in parentheses you can just click on that cell or type in that cell A2 and then enter. And once you do that, it will produce it should produce some results for this product title. And so here are some URLs that are presented that you can open. Whether or not there are exact matches or just similar products, that might vary from product to product, but these are the results that come up. These are in Bed Bath & Beyond. I do sometimes find some products, in the past I found products that were in common between Walmart and Bed Bath & Beyond, so it could be one of those. But okay, so something was in here. I have to delete that from there. Okay, now if you want it to, this is a vertical list, but if you want it to display horizontally, for your convenience, I have included on this template this version of the formula where you wrap that search title formula inside of a transpose formula, and transpose will actually transpose it, make it horizontal rather than vertical. And that's useful if you have a list of product titles and you want to continue populating this on each individual row. So for convenience, what you can do here is just copy this. Since it is already here, you can highlight it and copy it. And then to enter the formula, just type the equal sign and paste that formula in there, press enter, and it will give you a horizontal listing of those same results. So that way you could navigate it horizontally. And this is how I always had my systems, my actual complete Google Sheet systems, always presented the results horizontally so that you could work with the list of product titles. So this sort of thing, a more reduced version of what I've been doing for now the programs I wrote, the larger systems, a lot of them I wrote 5 years ago, 4 years ago, right? So that's why it's possible that some are not working now, and I might be able to get some of those working again, but I'm not sure which are working. So if you tried to use one and it's not working at the moment, it might work in the future. I'll have to look into that. But right now, if you want to try automating product searches and getting results in Google Sheets, this is something you can jump in and use right away. For the future, I'm doing things that are a lot more open, where you have the code, where you literally can go in here, take this code, copy it, and take it over to another Google Sheet, right? And reuse that code there as well. Okay, so this does work. It works with Price Grabber. I haven't tested it with a lot of different products from different sites, so I don't know how accurate matches are going to be or anything like that at this point. But, you know, you can try it. So if you want, there should be a link where you can just, this will probably just have a direct link where you can just click that link and open it up and go to the resource. Some of the links I have now, they might take you to a little page with ads, and that just helps me to provide things like this for free. It helps me to continue providing these resources for free. So if you can do that, it's appreciated. You just click the link. Some other kind of page will pop up, but the resource will be there on the page, and you'll click into the resource, and that is pretty much the way it works. However, I also have the option if you want to actually sign up by email on Gumroad, where you're actually like on an email list. You can do that, or you can do both. You know, you can just open the Google Sheet directly, look at it, and then later on you could sign up on Gumroad. So those are different options that you have. And that's about it. I go by Mr. Mark. Some of you who are watching this video probably already know me because I probably emailed it out to people who downloaded things from me in the past. Otherwise, you know, it's good to meet you, and I hope I get to share some more stuff with you in the future. And that's it. Just check around this video. If you're watching on YouTube, check the description. If you're watching it somewhere else, check around the video wherever it's posted, and there should be a link to access this directly, as well as some other information as well. And that's it. Hope this helps, and I'll see you in another video.